In this video, we will learn how to add windows. First, let's go to the south elevation view. I will zoom into the building. We're going to add a couple windows, the casement windows on the retaining wall on this side. So use the window button. We're going to load family because there's only limited window types available. Let's load family. We're looking at a Windows folder. We need to have casement 3x3 with the trim. RFA file, or Revit family. Open up. And we find some windows to add. We'll get a 36 by 24 to start with. We place the windows on the retaining wall randomly. 1 and 2. Okay. Now let's look at the windows on the plan views. So over there we can adjust the relative location of them. Let's go to the 0, 1 lower level. Somehow we do not see the two new windows on these floor plans because the way Revit cut the floor plans is a sectional cut at a certain height, and because either the floor plan cut for this view is too high or too low, it doesn't go through the windows. So that's why we do not see them. Here we got to change the view settings to show the windows. What we're doing here is make sure nothing is selected in the view. On 0, 1 lower level, in the properties window, we scroll down to get it to a button called view range. Again, it's in the properties of the view range. Click on edit button, and here it has all the settings for the view. The top of the view, the color plan. You see the color plan is only 4 feet above the floor. So the windows are higher than that. So let's make it 7 feet. And now these two windows show up. Then the problem is we want to have both windows in that room. So I would move the first window, the window on the right hand side. I can move it. You see there's the reference dimensions. So the first window has to be 2.5 feet right to the interior wall. And the second window is 9.5 feet to the west wall. Let's move it. Or you can just highlight the number, put a 9 to the 6. So now the horizontal dimensions of the window are right. We gotta check the vertical dimension again. Let's go back to south elevation view. And but before moving the windows up or down, we would like to change the type of the windows. This project needs to have the same type, but a 3 feet by 3 feet window, which is not available in the type selector. And then get a 3 feet by 2, 3 by 4. So what do we do here is to make a new type for the casement window. Or in fact, they have to be casement. Let's pick up both window and pick up casement, one the casement. That is 36 by 48 start. Then I'm going to make a 3 feet by 3 feet, 36 by 36. So pick up the 3 by 3 casement windows in the project. Click on edit type. And here we're going to make a new type based on the existing one. So we click on duplicate button and give a new name. This one should be 36 by 36 inches. Hit OK. The new type is here. We gotta change the dimension as well. So the height is 3 feet. Hit OK. Now this window becomes 3 by 3. I would change the second one or use a 3 by 3 for the second window. Just pick up that window and select the new type from the list, 36 by 36 inches. Then the next thing is to align the windows. Make sure the window top aligned with the top of the retaining walls. So I would zoom in and deselect any window. Let's go to Modify tab, and there's Alignment button or Align button. Click on it. The first thing is to select line or point reference for alignment. It's the top of the retaining wall. Second is to pick up the entity to align, which should be the top of the casement window. And repeat this step for the second window. Zoom in, use the alignment button, pick up the retaining wall as a reference, pick up the top of the window. You can lock it if you want. Lock means next time if the walls change, the windows are going to move with the wall. Let's lock the second one. Have to realign it. Alignment, reference plane, window top, lock it. Save it. Now let's add more windows. This time is on 0 to entry level. Windows in the east wall. Window button. Casement 3 by 3. But it's 36 by 72 inches. Taller window. You place them on the outside edge of the wall in the room. Use any dimensions. Okay. Now you see the dimensions are not the windows are not perfectly placed. If we want to have the uniform spaces or space between the windows, we can do this. First, we're going to use the dimension 2 on the annotated tab. Use align the dimension button to draw the dimensions between the wall and the windows. Start with exterior wall center line, center of the first window, center of the second, third, and center of the interior walls. Then place the dimension outside. Now see all the numbers are different, but there's an EQ button that allows you to rearrange the windows to make all the spacing or distance equal. So let's click on EQ. And then modify button, you can delete all the dimensions. But they asking you, do you want to keep the constraint? Let's make the spacing even. Yeah, let's keep it. Now if you move one of the walls, let's see what happens. Move one of the interior walls, move it down. You see the windows, the spacing the windows are rearranged. Still calculating. Let's move it back. Alright, now we have all the windows. Let's save the project and close it.